house. This is the front door. Very, very wide, whoops. I think I just broke something. Very wide, very long hallway. I'm leaving some things out on the niche shelves, or I guess shelves. These aren't shelves. What is this called? Why can't I think of what this is called? Ledge. So the things that are on the ledges, I'm actually going to save for the estate sale, and which I'm going to do the weekend before we have the house, before we put the house up on the market. This is the dining room. It's ready for show. I'm going to leave it like this as a staging purpose. So this is a dining room. This is actually a 6-seater, possibly 8. This table obviously fits only 6, but I think you can fit a longer table to actually hold 8, a table for 8. So I've got this is ready to go. And then the living room, I stored, I'm like trying to step around boxes. I think I'm getting seasick. When I watch this videotape back, I think I'm gonna be seasick. It's just a bunch of wobbly stuff. So let me move over here. Okay, so this is the living room. I did throw a lot of pillows on the sofa, but those will be gone. The sofa, the large matching ottoman, which is a storage ottoman. You can fit a couple of kids in there, a few toddlers actually. And so that'll stay for storage, or not for storage, for staging purposes. The table with the lamps in the back, side tables will also stay for staging, the bar stools, TV and all that. That will all stay for staging. And let's go in here. And here is my mom's room. Was my mom's room. And I'm gonna obviously put away the blankets and stuff, but we'll leave the little chest in here, table and chair. Her bed will stay in here for staging purposes. The desk right here, which is drowning in blankets, and that chair will go in the little, what we call the library. So she has all of her books in there. And this is the bathroom. So again, a lot of the stuff will stay in here for staging purposes. Look at this mirror. Well, don't look at me, but it's a really nice 3-way mirror from head to toe. I guess from wall to wall, floor to ceiling. Linen closet. And this is one of those walk-through showers. So, you know, I used to tease my mom about putting those little car wash brushes, the really large ones. When you run your car through, you've got brushes on both sides and nozzles, spray foam, all that stuff. So I used to tease her. I'm like, why don't you just put the same thing, same concept on each side, and then all you have to do is just walk through and bam, you're done. So this is her walk-through shower. But see how you could do that on both sides. I think that's a great idea. We're just gonna walk through the walk-through shower. Hi. So his and her sinks. I need to get rid of some of this stuff. And this is the same bathtub I have. And then her closet is ready to go. I have everything I want out of the closet. And my daughter and my cousin went through and took some things that they want. Evidently, a lot of what my mom had is back in fashion again. So if anyone is listening and you're in the Houston area and want to look at some of these clothes, and she's got some brand new shoes, she's got a lot of purses that are actually back in style again, and some costume jewelry. So these are some things that I will be selling in the estate sale. But if you're in the Houston area and want to come look at the estate sale, message me. I'll let you know where we are. And we will have a lot of people in each room basically helping people out who are coming to look at the estate sale and kind of help me a little bit. But this will be cleaned up. And then the kitchen. This is a nightmare. So everything on the island is for the estate sale or giveaway. She had a lot of brand new dishes, clothes, purses, glasses that never been opened. So hopefully by the end of today, maybe tomorrow, depending on how much I can get done today, this will all be cleaned up and ready to go for staging purposes. Like this right here is for staging. I love these little soup bowls. Those are so pretty. I love those. Ah! Oh, that'll leave a bruise. And then more soup bowls. I think those were from Korea, when she was in Korea. So she has these candles. And I tried to open it and realized, well, they've never been opened because the tape was still over the corner there. So a lot of things to just kind of clean up. And once the stuff like this right here on the bar area is actually going home with me. She used to have her fish in here. I thought that was so cute. A real small fish. So this is it. This is the house. The laundry room is behind me, which is huge. So I'm actually going to box up this crystal and things that I don't really know what to do with them quite yet. I'm going to box them up quite well, put them up in the attic for now, and then I have a few boxes of hers in the attic. I had to hide it up there because we were having company on Christmas Day and I didn't want boxes everywhere. So I just shoved them all in the attic. Now I gotta go through with them. And so I'm gonna do that today since it's gonna be such bad weather. And so this is my plan today. So let me get this stuff packed up and back to my house before the tornadoes start. Oh wow.